All right, the first one we have here is the one for the M1 Garand. On the sheath, there are no markings on this at all. I'll just kind of show you here kind of the wear and tear. And when you do pick one up, actually I'm wrong. I just noticed that there's a US bomb with a flame coming out of the top marking on this one right here. Hopefully I'll kind of change that so you can kind of see that marking there. I didn't realize that was there. The other side, I don't believe there's any. But condition is everything when it comes to value. After condition, of course, is supply and demand, that sort of thing. But when you get these, there's a difference between cleaning them up and trying to make them look like new, which you should never do. It's called patina. This light little wearing away of the finish. These markings here, we can kind of see the fiberglass of the day, kind of showing in there. You want to leave that on there. That's honest wear and tear. Do not try to cover that up. Cleaning it lightly, but not removing what's called a patina. And you can go ahead and Google that term if I'm not explaining it well. Is what you want to do, both on that as well as the blade itself. Now, again, I went through, and I'll show you the markings here in just a second. This one, I believe, is indeed the full length. I'll kind of do a one end to the other, and then we'll kind of look at the markings. We'll hesitate there for the markings. And again, you can see that bomb with the flame coming out, as well as the AF, which I'm assuming means Air Force. I'm not quite sure what the H means. And then the handle itself. There are no markings on this side or the back side of either of these. So I did check that, but we'll go ahead and flip that over. So you can kind of see, again, what it looks like from one end to the other. Again, no markings on this side, just the one side. And again, you'll see it looks, a little bit shiny here because there's a light that's actually, reflecting slightly off of this. But there's a lot of scratch marks and so forth in here that you leave in here. You do not try to remove them. You can actually see some of the original machining marks, with this close-up in the blade itself. Okay? But this is my example of the M1 Garand Bayonet World War II. So now we move on.